Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Honeywell Digital Deadbolt step by step. So in order to basically reset it, what you need to do is you need to simply remove this particular battery cover from the lock. Now, when you do this, you are going to see the battery compartment inside it. So what you need to do next is you need to simply take out one battery completely, and then you just have to simply wait for 10 seconds. Now, Honeywell documentation specifically recommend you removing one battery during the reset process. So you need to simply do it. After 10 seconds, you just have to do nothing but to just simply reinsert the battery and wait for one long beep, followed by one short beep. And when you hear that, it confirms that the lock entered reset ready mode successfully. Now you need to simply press the lock button over here, and then you just have to basically press it for at least three times within 3 seconds, and if successful, the lock should beep and the indicator light should flash green, confirming the factory reset completed properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.